In this video, I'm going to talk about how to identify the strength of a trend. So we'll use crude oil futures for example. However, this can apply to all the other financial instruments. There are normally three ways. First, if there are consecutive bull bars or bear bars, that means the market is very strong. Second, if there are less overlap between the bars next to each other, or even between the bars next to each other in a few bars, that also means the market is very strong. Third, if the setup is very clear, like there's a pattern there, like a wedge or triangle or channel, that means the market is very strong. Here is an example for the consecutive bear bars. This is the chart for the oil October 29th. You can see that here there are consecutive bear bars here leading the market to down. And then after the pullback, the market goes down again for the second leg. So this consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bear bars means the market is very strong for the downtrend, and then you're very confident there gonna be some follow-up. So the trading opportunity is the second leg down here after the pullback. Less overlap also means the trend is very strong. Take November 1st as an example. We can see that here between this bull bar and this bear bar, the overlap of the body is very small. And then the overlap between these two consecutive bear bars are very small as well. And then even the same thing for this bear bar and this bull bar. And here as well, the overlap between this bull bar and this bear bar is very small. Between these two bull bars, also very small. In the end, this is a very tight channel up. Tight channel always means very strong trend. Less overlap is equivalent to consecutive bull bars or bear bars in a higher time frame. If we switch from 5-minute chart to 15-minute chart, we can see that there are consecutive bull bars leading to a strong trend. Clear setup also means the trend will be very strong. This is the chart on October the 25th. So let's draw a trend line here. At the top, we drop here, and the bottom we can draw here. You can see that it is an open triangle. So when the market goes up to the top trend line here, it's gonna go down to touch the bottom trend line here. So this trend is very strong. You can trade this leg down. For open triangle, normally trades the third time that it touches either side of the trend line, and then just trade once. If we extend the bottom trend line, we can see there's another good setup. It is the trend line break, and then we short at the pullback for the second leg down here. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.